let's take a look at our headphones, because what I'm missing is the USB receiver, which I think it's right here. So if I press on it, it should pop out. There we go. So that's the receiver. So with this guy, I can plug it in, and that way they will work wirelessly. So here's the receiver. It's kind of odd that they made the placement right here, but I guess it's a good place to hide it so you won't lose it later on. So again, that's down here below. You guys should see this, and that's where the USB receiver is on these headphones. So if I take it out, it's gonna look like that. So it's a good place. It's a good place to hide it. That way we won't lose it. So there we go. All we have to do is push it in and out. So the headphones themselves, they feel pretty okay-ish. I can see that this moves all the way around quite a bit. Let's see this side. That moves as well. Now below here, I do have my microphone, and I know that this can extend out. Yep. So this can extend out, and you guys can actually move it to be like so or like that. Now I don't like moving these things too much. So if you guys are gonna use it like a headset and microphone all the time, I would just leave it out and leave it at a certain position. The more you move cables around, the faster they tend to break. So I would leave it as is. So if you guys are gonna use it with the microphone, just leave it. That's my suggestion. So around it, the design looks pretty good. It doesn't feel too heavy. I would even say it feels almost as heavy as my other ones, which are wired. So that's a big plus, because you don't want something too heavy on your head. Now on this side of the headset, we can see a few things. So we can mute our mic right here. Here we got this, power. We got that input, another input right there. Here we got volume as well, so it's good. Right here, like I showed you guys already, this is where your receiver's at. So I know it's kind of weird, but I guess it can be useful. Now if we take a look at the side, I can see that this expands. Yeah, it feels okay. Now the same thing goes with this side. Yeah, it feels alright, feels alright. This part feels pretty sturdy. Now the cushioning on the top, if I press on it, this feels pretty hard on the top, but right down here feels pretty soft. It's breathable, so that's important. So you do have this texture below, squishy, and it's breathable, which again, it's on top of your head, so you want something breathable. Now if we take a look down here, let's just turn these guys around. Now usually with headsets, they tend to make this part softer for people that have glasses. What I can tell you, let me just touch all the way around it. No, I guess they didn't think about that when they made these. So if you guys wear glasses, I don't think these would be the headphones for you guys. It does feel a little bit softer, I guess, on the top. Just a little bit softer than here. It might just be me though, because there isn't that big difference. I've noticed with other headsets, they make this part, or sometimes the whole part, so they make even the top part plus the sides really soft, and this a little bit harder. And that's so when you guys have glasses on, this won't press against your face that much, right? So I can tell you right now with this, it all feels pretty much the same. It is squishy, it's not that hard, so maybe if you guys have glasses, it won't press too much against you, but it doesn't have that huge difference that I've seen with other headsets where it's really, really soft here, which is great, so it won't press your glasses against your face. With these headsets, I don't feel that. I feel like it's almost all the same. Other than that, there's not much to show you about these. There isn't that much into it, so it is a quick unboxing. The review will be later on, setup videos so you guys can hear it, see how it performs. We're gonna do various tests on these, including the microphone sound. I'm gonna do a lot of tests to see how these guys work out. But for now, I can tell you my first glance at it, they feel okay. Quality wise, they look okay. They don't feel like the most expensive thing out there. The plastic looks fine-ish. It could be better, yes. I do like the fact that the microphone does go in and out, so you guys could put it in and out. Most of you will want it out all the way, or else it is kind of annoying when people can hear exactly what you're hearing. So it is good to pull out your microphone as much as you can. Other than that, this headset looks pretty good. I like it. I like what I see. It looks good. It feels okay. This is very big, but it should fit just fine and it should work just fine. Anyways, that's it for this quick unboxing. If you guys want to see the review, setup videos, make sure to check it out on my channel. And that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.